everyone. On behalf of HT Media, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the Udaan Roadshow. Ladies and gentlemen, let's invite on stage one and the only Mr. Abhyuday Junankar.
Today we will be discussing on obviously the buzzword AI. It's everyone is scraping around AI. What AI is all about and how AI is going to change the world of SMEs. We have some statistics already discussed earlier. Right, so we will have a discussion towards how AI has changed the business dynamics, how SMEs and small and medium customer is going to benefit out of it. That's what we will be discussing today on this, and how Dell Technologies will help SMBs and partner with SMBs and their ecosystem to be in the race of the AI era in a nation. Right. So today's objective is all about how SMBs we are going to empower with the reliable technologies, new innovative technologies what we are coming with, and how you guys or SMBs are going to be fostering on the innovation part or more on the employment part, and how the new ideas is going to generate out of your thought process. This is how the objectives what we are going to cover, and how Dell Technologies will be supporting in the digital transformation journey of SMBs. Now, small and medium business, our economic backbone. Madam has highlighted on a lot of statistics. Near about 30% of countries' revenue has been generated, or GDP has been generated through SMBs. Then 45% of the market is, employment has been given by small and medium business. Then most of them are into export and new ideas coming in. So we are there in this market space to help SMB customers or education customers to be productive in this segment. Dell has been always a company who believes in consultation, who believes in tailor-made solution for a customer. We believe that every individual requires a different set of needs, different set of technology. It cannot be that everyone can use the single set of technology and they are productive. So we as a consultant, we go to the customer, we discuss, and we give the tailor-based solution to the customer to be productive, to be effective in their working. Then obviously, when we are coming up with the innovation, obviously one constraint which each and every organization has is a budget constraint. So obviously that solution should be affordable to my customer, so that they can afford for their journey. That's what our aim is, to have an affordable solution. Dell, when we are talking about Dell, it is meant for school, education, work, small, setup, or even for a consumer grade series. When it comes to enterprise class, obviously we have a Dell Pro, which is designed for scalability and more of a professional grade equipment. And Dell Pro Max, the Max word itself said maximum efficiency. When we are talking about maximum efficiency, obviously this will have a compute power plus a GPU power, graphic power, where you have higher kind of SolidWorks application, CAD, CATIA, right, Revit, or maybe for media industry it could be Maya. This kind of application will be work on higher performance machines. So what has changed from earlier laptop to AI laptop, AI PC? What has changed? Earlier, the architecture of your processor was CPU and GPU only, right? With the AI coming in, the processor stack has changed to 3-chip architecture, which is you have CPU, you have GPU, and the third one is NPU, which is called Neural Processing Unit, which helps to offset your AI load on NPU so that your CPU and GPU be free for other tasks of your PC, right? Now again, here also the story changes. Now you have AI ready PC and you have core AI PC as well. So when I am talking about AI ready PC, these are with the 13 tops. The applications which are using right now are in the background. There is a lot which AI doing. How many people use Teams, right? Zoom, WebEx, right? These are all powerful with the AI. Earlier in Teams, your background of your image used to come. Now this image is not coming. That is the AI which in the background working for you. That is auto imaging. That's the tool which is happening, right? Every 10 seconds there is an attack happening somewhere. Maybe ransomware, cyber attack, any attack. Every 10 seconds. This is the data from IDs again, right? To avoid first level attack, because attack starts with an endpoint device. It's the starting point of attack is an endpoint device, because that's a vulnerable, because we use anywhere. Now it is connected to my even this Wi-Fi, so it is open for a attack, right? So hardware-based TPM, it restricts your attack, first level attack. Then all your encryptions, password are rested in TPM so that nobody can hack it. If it is a firmware-based TPM, it's open to hack. Any good hacker can get into that, and your passwords and everything are open to the people, right? Hardware-based TPM cannot be tampered. If it is tampered, cannot be used to another machine. It's a null and void. So we have hardware-based TPM. We have management. It is qualified for auto-tune integration. It is qualified for Intune integration if people are on Intune. Self-healing bias. We have a self-healing bias because AI do a lot of work. We have started with self-healing even some of the issues. We call it as a self-heal services. Then we have deployment, pro deployment queue. We have integration with your images at the factory level so that ready to ship laptop can be dispatched to you. We have sets of mouse. Very recently we have launched this KM555, which is a silent mouse and silent keyboard. Now coming to the part of how does our changes in FY26. The integration of AI is one of the leading role in terms of changing our offering to the customer. We have a solution called AI Factory, right? Because we have end-to-end solution. We help our customer to build their AI stories. See, in your normal factory, you have raw material which get processed and you get the finished goods. That's how we work on the AI Factory as well, where you have your data is a raw material for us. To process the data, we have storage, servers, applications, we have use cases, we have PCs with AI capabilities. We can give you a finished product on AI. So we call it as an AI Factory. That's our journey of AI, and we are helping our customers in that journey. We have changed our scenarios. Obviously, we are customer centric. Our first primary is to be customer delight, then simplify the customer's IT needs and sustainability. These are the three main pillars of our offering. But we have added that initiatives to drive on storage, drive on their AI journey, servers, simplify their multi-cloud operations, and then simplified one portfolio of PC. With this, thank you very much. You are in a lovely crowd. And if any questions, I am be around. We'll have a discussion on it. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Naman Kothari on the dais.
How many of you have used ChatGPT? Just wondering, so that we all are on the same page. Almost everyone has used it. How many of you have actually used GPT today? Show of hand before brushing your teeth. All right, I can clearly see, right? AI before hygiene, right? Well, jokes apart, I believe AI is something that you can't ignore. The organization that I represent, it is a joint venture between Government of India and NASSCOM. So, एक बहुत common term है, either you embrace technology or be left behind. The next 5 years or now, actually the companies who are embracing technology, they are working on this particular part, collaborating with partners, even competitors, right? All right. Now, speaking of growing, speaking of technology, speaking of AI, internet reason for well known. इतने बड़े globe को it has brought everyone into just one small PC screen or in one small area. Internet. The second is semiconductors and personal computing, because this is what introduced tech to us. आज हम इतनी बातें कर रहे हैं just because of semiconductors. Third and most importantly, modern medicine and biotechnology. They have made life easier and better. All the three innovations that you see here, right? These are not results of lone innovator. These are not results of one person bringing this innovation to life. These are results of large number of suppliers, large number of innovators, large number of collaborators, large number of bridges, large number of teams who have worked together to bring these innovation to life. You know, collaboration and co-creation is something that fuels innovation. No one can do everything all alone. In fact, if you are good at textiles, if you think you want to bring in some AI-powered tool to improve the operations, you can't do it all alone, right? Therefore, it is equally important to collaborate, co-create in today's world. As they say, collaboration fuels speed. Yes, it fuels speed, scales and brings more and more creativity. Globally, मास्टरकार्ड और वीज़ा के जितने ग्लोबली ट्रांजैक्शंस होते हैं एक महीने में, उससे ज़्यादा यूपीआई के होते हैं सिर्फ इंडिया में. सो दिस इज़ द पावर ऑफ यूपीआई. This is not a one person thing. There are large team of developers, open source APIs, large number of startups who collaborated with government to launch UPI. Some of you know, I go to a lot of these sessions. There is a lot of discussion that comes out that AI might be a bubble. It could be or it could be not. But the fact of the matter is there is trillions and trillions. I'm not talking in billions, but trillions of investment flowing into AI. अभी 2 हफ्ते पहले व्हाइट हाउस में माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, एप्पल, फेसबुक, गूगल सारे CEOs थे वहाँ पे, एंड उस राउंड टेबल में देयर वर ट्रिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर्स दैट वर committed to support AI. अब ये some good examples, right? So does anyone have an Apple Watch over here? Apple Watch, okay, Apple fans. So Apple, उनकी ना वॉच की सेल कम हो रही थी. Then they eventually realized let's collaborate with Nike, because Apple is known for fitness and lifestyle, improving lifestyles of people, right? You can track your health parameters, monitor parameters, kitne steps chale. What they did a very smart move. They collaborated with Nike and launched a joint program, joint app on Apple Watch. It's called Nike and Apple Watch. And eventually their sales started showing good results. Exponentially sales started increasing. Similarly, UPI, someone mentioned about UPI. Do you know, globally, मास्टरकार्ड और वीज़ा के जितने ग्लोबली ट्रांजैक्शंस होते हैं एक महीने में, उससे ज़्यादा यूपीआई के होते हैं सिर्फ इंडिया में. सो दिस इज़ द पावर ऑफ यूपीआई. दिस इज़ नॉट अ वन पर्सन थिंग. देयर आर लार्ज.
नाउ लेट्स सी अ लाइव एग्जांपल. इसमें कहीं से कहीं पे भी ह्यूमन इन्वॉल्व नहीं है. द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल दैट आई विल शो यू, everything is done by AI. In fact, there is a new term in the market called sentimental analysis. उसमें क्या होता है? If I call a number, AI picks my phone, talks to me in very humanly language. I'm not very happy with the resolution, and I'll start, I'll raise up my tone. AI will identify a raise in my pitch, raise in my temper, and accordingly mold the complete conversation as per my sentiments, right? This is agentic AI. इसको थोड़ा सा और ब्रेक कर देते हैं layman's language में before we go to the example. So we all have been to school. We have seen, there is always a term used for kids who sits at the back seat called backbencher, right? आपने सुना है backbencher? So AI, what is the difference between AI and agentic AI? AI is the backbencher kid, not literally. Backbencher will only respond to you or will only respond to teacher when prompted. वो पीछे बैठा है, आप उससे पूछोगे ये करा है, वो तभी बताएगा आपको, राइट? AI आपको तभी बातें करेगा आपसे जब आप उसको प्रॉम्प्ट दोगे. एक अच्छा प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग इज अ होल न्यू वर्ल्ड. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट एजेंटिक AI. Agentic AI is that over enthusiastic kid who always finishes the homework even before teacher assigns it. एक बहुत ज्यादा तेज बच्चा होता है, वो सब बता देगा. मैं आपने टेस्ट के लिए बोला था, आज टेस्ट लेना है आपको, मैं होमवर्क खत्म करके आ गया हूँ, बिफोर इवन टीचर असाइंस इट. दैट इज एजेंटिक AI. सो FIRs होती हैं, फर्स्ट इन्वेस्टिगेशन रिपोर्ट्स. चोरी हुई, चेन स्नैचिंग हुई, बाइक थेफ्ट हुई, मर्डर हुआ, रॉबरी हुई, एवरीथिंग गोज इनटू रिकॉर्ड्स. So what this startup did, the startup smartly digitized all the FIRs of the last 5 years. All right, what next? Once those were digitized, those were fed into the AI engine. We call it LLMs, right? उसमें डाला गया वो एक स्पेसिफिक पैटर्न नोट किया गया, कितने बजे क्या होता है लास्ट के 5 साल में. देयर इज अ बल्क ऑफ डेटा, एंड देन अ स्मार्ट एल्गोरिथम्स वर डिजाइन्ड, द एल्गोरिथम दैट कैन रीड दोस पैटर्न्स. वो जो हमने शुरू में ग्राफ देखा था. नाउ द engine has been made so smart, you will be surprised to know that AI engine can actually predict कि आज शाम को 5 से 6 बजे सेक्टर 14 नागपुर में बाइक थेफ्ट हो सकती है या फिर क्या हो सकता है, राइट? इट इज प्रिडिक्टिंग क्राइम्स एंड इट इज एक्चुअली टर्निंग आउट टू बी ट्रू more than 95% with more than 95% accuracy. Not just Nagpur, it is being used in Gurgaon, an entire Haryana state is using it. Not just Haryana, it is also being deployed in Karnataka. So the thing is, there is some exceptional work around AI which we might not know. ये तो आप ही के शहर में हो रहा है, right? I also have the data sheet कि कितना crime reduce हुआ है. That this startup, we mentored this startup based out of Bangalore, comes from a very humble beginning. और ये सारे startups बहुत humble background से आते हैं, right? They all are either engineers or some normal guys who have some vision to start, and they are looking for people like you to work with. Now this is actually very interesting. There are doctors in the house today, and this is very close to our heart. I'll tell you, you know, we are working with AIIMS Bhatinda. Actually, there is a thing called cervical cancer, and the sad part is it has no cure. इसका कोई क्योर नहीं है. The only cure is if detected early. So we realized a pain point. There was a pain point that in Bhatinda, Punjab being the agricultural belt, and agriculture contributes the most to the Indian economy. So वहाँ पे ना cervical cancer के cases बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ रहे थे. For reason well known, there can be n number of reasons. Fertilizers बहुत use होता है वहाँ पे, वो ground water पे जाता है और वो somehow effect कर रहा है women को. But that was not a problem. The problem was women over there were shy enough to go and get themselves treated. All right. And by the time they realize कि symptoms आ रहे हैं, it's already quite late. And then फिर prevention becomes a challenge. So we thought females, महिलाएं तो जाना ही रही हैं डॉक्टर के पास, क्यों ना, या हॉस्पिटल के पास, क्यों ना हॉस्पिटल ही उनके पास ले जाया जाए. Now how is it possible? Now it was made possible by a startup based out of Gujarat, right? What they have done, they have created a portable AI-powered vision-based device that works on vision-based technology. अब cervical cancer जब होने लगता है तो cervix होता है, उसके color में changes आते हैं. So this device can actually detect that changes, and based on the AI-powered engine can actually tell you the probability or occurrence of cancer, right? And this is actually turning out to be a really good success story for all of us. And again, an AI-powered device and result of a collaboration between AIIMS Bhatinda, Government of India, startup, and some local stakeholders. कोई भी टेक्नोलॉजी आती है ना, so there is a resistance that technology faces. Typewriters आए थे, I was reading, so एक पूरा ग्रुप था, एसोसिएशन था, who protested कि भाई जॉब चली जाएगी. कैलकुलेटर्स आए, then again जॉब चली जाएगी. कंप्यूटर्स आए, again कि this might not align with some of the work profiles that we have. अब AI आया है, same thing. So I'll tell you, this is a live example. I went to, all these projects were led by me. I went to Kaithal, it's in Haryana, and we took the drones to the farmers. अब drones के नीचे ना cameras होते हैं. The technology is called hyperspectral imaging technology. Normal person can see three colors: red, green, and blue, RGB. These technology can see colors in millions of wavelength. तो अगर हमें green दिख रहा है, घास green है, this camera can actually see those colors in millions of wavelength and can analyze, predict, detect कि यहाँ पे क्या खराबी है, क्या ज़्यादा पानी डाल दिया इन्होंने, फर्टिलाइजर गलत डाल दिया, पेस्टिसाइड ज़्यादा डाल दिया, and can break it down into the layman language, और farmers को उसी हिसाब से वो जानकारी देता है कि भाई आप ये करो तो क्रॉप प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ेगी आपकी. When we took this solution to these farmers, उन्होंने हमें भगा दिया. उन्होंने बोला, how can a technology or a flying robot can tell us how to do farming? This we have been taught this through generations. So we sat with them, we told them we are not here to replace farming, we are here to support you, to make it better and to help you and to make it even smarter. थोड़ा सा कन्विंस करना. रेजिस्टेंस था, लाइक आई सेड, रेजिस्टेंस होता है हर टेक्नोलॉजी में, वहाँ पे भी था. उनके साथ बैठे, बात करी, छोटा पायलट किया, वहाँ पे उनको रिजल्ट दिखाया, and then eventually the result is in front of all of us. That's all. Thank you so much.